Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Slow cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a stand choice for anyone. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker stands out as a reliable and efficient kitchen essential for those who appreciate the art of slow cooking. Constructed from durable stainless steel with a stoneware insert, this model exudes a balance of style and functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen decor. With a substantial capacity of 7 quarts, it is ideal for families or gatherings, allowing you to prepare hearty meals in one go. The dimensions of 16.9 inches deep, 11.8 inches wide, and 10.4 inches high ensure it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up excessive space. Weighing in at 12.6 pounds, it is manageable to move, yet robust enough to withstand regular use. Operating at 210 watts and designed for standard 120 volts, the slow cooker offers 3 distinct heat settings: low, high, and keep warm, providing versatility to accommodate various recipes and cooking times. The manual control method allows for straightforward operation, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Mini Donut Maker. The Dash Mini Donut Maker machine stands out as an exceptional addition to any kitchen, particularly for those who enjoy creating delightful treats at home. Its eye-catching aqua color adds a playful touch to the appliance, which is compactly designed with dimensions of 8.7 D into 10.6 bobblers into 3.9 HH, ensuring it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up too much space. This manual donut maker boasts a power of 760 watts, enabling it to heat quickly and deliver consistent results. Weighing just 3.26 pounds, its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and store away when not in use. The metal material ensures durability while also being PFOA-free, prioritizing safety in your kitchen endeavors. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, derived from over 13,200 reviews, the Dash Mini Donut Maker is highly regarded in its category, holding the #1 spot for mini donut makers and ranking number 2,176 in the broader kitchen and dining segment. It demonstrates reliability. Egg cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is an exceptional kitchen appliance that simplifies the process of cooking eggs, catering to both novices and seasoned chefs alike. With its sleek black design, this compact device measures 7.5 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen countertop without occupying excessive space. Constructed from durable plastic, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is not only lightweight, at just 1 pound, but also easy to clean, ensuring that your cooking experience remains hassle-free. This cooker boasts a remarkable capacity, accommodating up to 6 eggs at once, which is perfect for family. Paper plates. Dixie ultra-large paper plates, 10-inch, 172 count, stand out in the realm of disposable dinnerware, offering a blend of strength, convenience, and versatility that is hard to overlook. Manufactured by Georgia-Pacific, these plates boast an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on nearly 18,000 reviews, reflecting widespread customer satisfaction. The design of these plates is not just about aesthetics, it emphasizes functionality. The 10-inch diameter makes them suitable for everything from appetizers to full meals, accommodating an array of food types without compromising on space. Their dimensions, 10.08 into 2.69 into 10.08 inches, provide a generous surface area, perfect for gatherings, picnics, or daily use. What truly sets the Dixie Ultra plates apart is their claim of being 3x stronger than standard paper plates. This sturdiness is particularly beneficial when serving heavier items like pasta or grilled meats, ensuring that users do not have to worry about leaks or breakage. The increased durability significantly enhances the dining experience, allowing for easy handling and a sense of security that many disposable plates cannot offer. Vegetable chopper. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that has garnered significant acclaim from users, making it a top choice for those who frequently prepare vegetables. Weighing only 2 pounds, this compact chopper measures 7.99 inches in length, 2.99 inches in width, and 4.49 inches in height, making it easy to store and handle. Its sleek white design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also complements various kitchen styles. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, the chopper features a V-shaped blade that effectively tackles a range of vegetables, from onions to carrots. The 4-inch blade length ensures a precise cut, allowing users to prepare ingredients quickly and efficiently. The manual operation mode means that you have full control over the chopping process, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of